Welcome to Exchange Rates 101, your complete guide to currency conversion basics. In today's global economy, understanding how different currencies relate to each other is essential for anyone involved in international business, travel, or investment. Exchange rates determine how much one currency is worth compared to another, and they fluctuate constantly based on various economic factors. Throughout this presentation, you'll learn the fundamental concepts that govern currency exchange, from basic definitions to the complex factors that influence rate movements. An exchange rate is simply the price of one currency expressed in terms of another currency. Think of it like any other price you encounter in daily life. Just as you might pay $10 for a shirt, an exchange rate tells you how many units of one currency you need to buy 1 unit of another currency. For example, if the exchange rate shows $1 equals 0.85 euros, it means you would need to pay 85 euro cents to purchase 1 American dollar. Exchange rates are essentially the bridge that allows different currencies to be compared and traded in the global marketplace. Exchange rates can be quoted in two different ways, and understanding both is crucial for proper currency conversion. A direct quote expresses the exchange rate as the amount of your home currency needed to buy 1 unit of foreign currency. For instance, if you're in the United States, a direct quote for euros would show how many dollars you need for 1 euro. An indirect quote works the opposite way. It shows how much foreign currency you can get for 1 unit of your home currency. The same exchange rate can be expressed both ways, but the numbers will be different. Most currency markets use standardized conventions for quoting rates. Converting currencies is straightforward once you understand the basic formula. To convert from one currency to another, you simply multiply the amount you want to convert by the current exchange rate. Let's walk through an example. If you want to convert 100 US dollars to euros, and the exchange rate is $1 equals 0.85 euros, you multiply 100 by 0.85. The result is 85 euros. This basic multiplication formula works for any currency conversion, regardless of the currencies involved. Remember that the exchange rate you use determines whether you're buying or selling the foreign currency. Exchange rates don't change randomly. They respond to specific economic forces and conditions. Supply and demand form the foundation of rate movements, just like any other market. When more people want to buy a particular currency, its value increases. Interest rates play a major role because higher interest rates attract foreign investors seeking better returns on their money. Economic growth indicators, such as GDP growth and employment levels, signal a country's economic health and influence currency strength. Political stability cannot be overlooked either. Investors prefer countries with stable governments and predictable policies, as uncertainty creates risk that can weaken a currency. When dealing with currency exchange, you'll encounter two different rates: the bid rate and the ask rate. The bid rate is the price at which currency dealers are willing to buy a foreign currency from you. The ask rate, also called the offer rate, is the price at which dealers will sell that same foreign currency to you. The ask rate is always higher than the bid rate. This difference is called the spread, and it represents the dealer's profit margin. For example, if the bid rate for euros is $1.1750, the ask rate might be $1.1850. The 10-cent difference is the spread that compensates the dealer for providing the exchange service. Countries manage their currencies using different exchange rate systems, each with distinct characteristics. In a fixed exchange rate system, the government or central bank sets the exchange rate and actively maintains it at that level through market intervention. This system provides stability and predictability, but requires the country to hold large foreign currency reserves. Hong Kong uses this system, pegging its dollar to the US dollar. A floating exchange rate system allows market forces of supply and demand to determine the currency's value freely. Most major currencies like the US dollar, euro, and British pound operate under floating systems. These rates change constantly throughout the trading day based on economic conditions and market sentiment. Let's summarize the essential concepts you've learned about exchange rates. First, exchange rates represent the value relationship between different currencies, serving as the pricing mechanism for international trade and investment. Second, these rates fluctuate continuously based on economic factors including supply and demand, interest rates, economic growth, and political stability. Third, understanding currency conversion empowers you to make informed decisions in international transactions, whether you're traveling abroad, investing internationally, or conducting business across borders. With these fundamental concepts, you now have the foundation to navigate the global currency market with confidence and make more informed financial decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.